like to congratulate the Argonaut team for completing construction of our newest mine, Magino. It's the newest mine in Canada. We believe it's going to be one of the largest and lowest cost. Magino is key for Argonaut to execute on our vision of creating a low-cost, mid-tier gold producer here in North America that creates significant value for all of our stakeholders, from our employees to our local communities to our shareholders.
The Magino Mine is Argonaut Gold's newest mine and flagship asset. Located 12 kilometers southeast of Dubreuilville, Ontario, in the Michipicoten Greenstone Belt, with nearby historic gold mines, this conventional truck and shovel operation will produce more than 150,000 ounces of gold per year. Presently, the mine is projected to operate for 19 years, but this number is expected to grow, given the exploration and expansion potential. Mining activities have occurred in the region for over a century. Completion of mine construction in 2023 realizes the decades-long ambition of prospectors and miners that came before. The first step in mining at Magino is drilling and blasting. Magino's fleet of PC3000 and PC1250 shovels load ore into the fleet of HD 1500 haul trucks. Each truck is capable of hauling 140 metric tons, the equivalent of 1,000 gorillas. Trucks loaded with waste rock haul to the waste rock storage areas, whereas trucks with gold-bearing ore haul to the two-stage crushing circuit. Ore is dumped into the primary crusher, a jaw crusher that reduces run-of-mine material to less than 6 inches in size. From there, material is conveyed to the secondary crusher building, which houses the secondary cone crusher and reduces the ore to less than 1.5 inches in size, before being conveyed to the crushed ore stockpile. The first stage in the grinding circuit is the SAG mill, which is loaded with 5-inch steel balls that aid in further reducing the size of the ore prior to ball milling. A cluster of 12 hydrocyclones separates fine and coarse material. The majority of the coarse material reports to the ball mill for even finer grinding. Loaded with 2-inch steel balls, the ball mill reduces the ore to less than 1/10 of a millimeter, as fine as a human hair, and is then pumped back to the cyclones. A portion of cyclone feed is sent to the gravity concentration circuit, where 2 Nelson concentrators concentrate the dense, visible gold particles. The rest of the ball mill product containing fine ore reports to the cyclone overflow, where it is pumped to the next stage in the process, leaching. The leach circuit is comprised of 5 large leach tanks, each measuring 3,300 cubic meters in volume. Cyanide and oxygen are added to the circuit to facilitate the leach reaction. Ore is retained in the leach tanks for 30 hours. Once the gold is dissolved, this pregnant solution moves on to the carbon in pulp stage. Each of the 7 CIP pump cells contains 4 metric tons of activated carbon produced from coconut shells. The carbon absorbs the gold from the solution. Gold is stripped from the carbon in the elution columns before electrowinning. Gold-bearing sludge is melted down and poured into the iconic gold doré bars. Magino serves as an economic pillar, providing a wealth of direct and indirect benefits to the region and to Ontario as a whole. We believe Magino has the potential to be one of the largest top-tier gold mines here in Canada and pivotal in transforming Argonaut Gold into a low-cost North American gold producer that will deliver growth to all stakeholders for years to come.
As we ramp up Magino over the next 2 quarters, we'll continue to build our team and our culture. But I would want to thank everyone within the Argonaut family for their contribution to Magino. So it's a credit to everyone within this organization. Everyone should be proud of the job that they've done to contribute to Canada's newest gold mine. So thank you again. Appreciate everyone's hard work and effort. Thank you.